Introducing Corning Configurable Assemblies. A faster, smarter way to create closed-system assemblies tailored to your bioprocessing needs. With Corning Configurable Assemblies, you can rapidly create a customized configuration that precisely aligns with your requirements. Using our proven Corning vessels and an array of pre-qualified components, we deliver unique designs optimized for your specific process. Our streamlined implementation ensures short lead times, helping you move faster. Our extensive component library includes over 100 pre-qualified parts optimized based on historical data for all applications. From cell culture to sampling and storage, we have the right components for your workflow. Our technical experts collaborate with you to create a configuration perfectly suited for your unique process. With proven Corning vessels, robust component supply, and complete documentation, we provide a seamless experience from design to delivery. Get started today. Contact your local account manager or visit us online to fill out the Configurable Assemblies form. Let us help you create the perfect system for your bioprocessing needs.